Okay, everybody, this is another car wash video I'm doing at Exxon Circle K down in the south. This is a Circle K car wash. This one is formerly wash and run, occasional. Okay, I'm about to do a quick walkthrough before I enter the code. This is going to be an indoor view. Okay, here's the entrance. There's the underbody sprayer. This is the Ryko Softgloss Maxx. This one was the Laser Wash 4000 until it was changed. Okay, this is the left side and right side brush. Whoa, pretty slippery in here. There's a virtual treadle. There's a paint thing right there. It's driven by tracks. Those are the lower brushes. This one is the top brush. Here's the LED signage. No, it's fluorescent. There's the Ryko Slim-On dryer right here. That is for the driver's side. This is for the top and the rear. That one is for the passenger side. I think it's to blow off all the water that's excess on the vehicle. And there's the wheel scrubbers right there to scrub the wheel, whether it's a rim or a hubcap, whatever. Let's see. Okay, we just got the top wash.
Welcome to our car wash.
We're going to enter the code, and the code is 16001. This one's in area.
You are now ready to enter the car.
Okay. Now we're going to get our 2004 Ford Ranger washed. We're going to take care of the bumper. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. This one is the Armor All Extreme Shine Wax. Now we're getting our underbody washed. Come on. Okay. Keep going. Stop. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, the triple foam is commenced. Yeah, the pink one is all over the light. Very colorful. Pink, yellow, and blue. Okay. Now the brushes are spinning. Okay. These are foam bright brushes.
Scrubbing the wheel rims right now.
Yep.
Roll is down there, scrubbing the...
Yep. Okay, and now here comes the top brush. It's about to get the bumper, I think. Okay. Brushes are starting. Got our windshield, top of our truck. Okay, brushes are continuously spinning. And signage over there, the enter slowly, stop, and back up slowly, has been switched from Times New Roman to impact. And brush is coming down. Some rinse water spraying. Side windshield. Yep. Okay. Now we're getting the rinse. So we're getting the Rain-X, or Armor All, I should say. Okay. Now there comes our clear coat protectant. And that's spot-free rinse until the system stops and the dryer's turned on. Pull up. Come on. Ugh. Alright, here we go. Now the dryers are on. Only 20 seconds of drying time. Wind blowing on the tree and the bush as well. It's a very powerful dryer. Actually, it's only 30 seconds, I stand corrected. This is the PDQ Laser Wash 4000 drying timer. It remained there. There's wind picking up right there. It's only 3 seconds. 2, 1, and the dryer's turned off. And the Circle K car wash. Thank you. Drive safely. Well, that's it.